Shane down here at Mike's Off-Road. We're wrapping up our Ford F150 Platinum project. We started this thing out with a 6-inch rough country Vertex lift to get this thing riding smooth and cruising down the highway nice. And we added a D1 SC Pro Charger to this truck to try and get a little bit more power out of it. And we're actually wrapping the project up now with HP Tuners NGauge with a full custom dyno tune from Altitude Tuning. Kind of just showing you guys that we can do just about anything here at Mike's Off-Road. When it comes to suspension stuff, we got you covered, all the way up to doing high horsepower things, doing superchargers, things like that. And we got all the custom tuning capabilities to get this Pro Charger hopped up as far as we can possibly go. Just remember, you need anything, we can do it down here at Mike's Off-Road.